Welcome, 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 Desert Disc Planning. If this is your first time here, I'm glad that you found me and I found you, and we can be creative together. If you have been here before and you are returning, I really appreciate the support, and I'm glad that I can inspire you to come back without all my fingerprints. All right, so today what we were doing is we are going to set up my kiddo section. The monthly layout, we're going to use the seasons, and we're going to use the happy memory keeping dates and holidays for the days of the week. So I'm just going to take this out. This is the Motherhood 2023 planner. It is a dashboard layout. So I am using my stash. I am doing, I'm redating everything using my stash. So over on Instagram under HP Stash Challenge, I am participating in a stash challenge, and I am using my stash. I've thought of a concept, and I wish I would have thought of it before July. I need an eraser because I would have done it for July, but I'm going to number all my sticker books, and I'm going to draw a number, maybe two numbers, but right now it's a number. I'm going to draw a number out of the thing, and those are going to be the books that I planted. I really don't have a lot of Happy Planner sticker books. I used to think that I did until I really started using them, and I'm like, oh, I really don't have that many. I have about as many Happy Planner books as I do Kellable Plan and Live, Love, Posh. So there's not that many. And then if you watched my earlier videos of my other sections, this is my whiteout that my daughter got a hold of. So I'm going to... I don't think I could save it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the dates. So watch me. Hopefully I can speed this part up, because I'm just going to like turn it over and do one of those like scratch, like that kind of thing. Like if I can just lay it over like that. And be like here. There's that one. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I was like, hey, it's worth a try. It's kind of how whiteout is anyways. I haven't made it to the store. I'm still recording these videos. Oh, look. Let me cut it. Not the plastic. I'm not going to cut the plastic, because I might be able to save it. Oh, it came out. Okay. So there's that. This is going to take forever. So yeah, I'm going to definitely speed this up for you guys. That way you don't have to worry about seeing my struggle. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, so I was going to speed that up. It got really messy, like so bad. So I went ahead and I did everything I needed to do. I whited it out, and I put the Monday on there, the Monday through Sunday on there. Now we're going to put the clear stickers on here. And this is July, and it starts on a Monday. So, like, I think it was like, yeah, I took it apart. I like tried to put it back together. I like completely unspun it, and then I completely tried to respin it. Yeah, no. So I just went and I stretched it and I covered it, and then it was kind of sloppy. It was definitely sloppy. So I went ahead and did what I had to do. And my daughter spilled her ranch right here next to me for some carrots. It was just like really weird. All right, so we're going to have 14, 21, 28, 14, 21, ultimately, I'm just going to say that if your whiteout runs out, just get you some new whiteout. Just get you some new whiteout. That is your best bet. Probably not that I didn't already know that, but oh my goodness, it is like, it was, oh, I think I'll be traumatized for a while. I really thought I could put it back together too. That's the other part. Good thing I can count by sevens. All right. So another thing is I love undated calendars, undated planners for this purpose. Now I do like the fact that you can get it at your convenience and you can get them dated. So it's just better if you do get them dated, you use them, which I'm really poor at. So that was date memory keeping, dates and holidays. Now we're going to do the seasonal. So I think what I'm going to do is, at first I was going to do the back to school because the kids go back to school in July. Actually, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the back to school. That's what I'm going to do. And then I have the pencil. Okay, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put a few of the little things here, such as this is the first day of school. This is when I get Riker back. We're going to, so Isaac goes on a trip here. The first official day of school is here. So I'm going to put that one there. Put that one there. Let's see. Spring cleaning, Tavazama, okay. Then we do have this. I'm just going to put it there. The rest of this is more of what's going on this summer. Okay, so now we're going to pull these in. Like that. So I'll just put, okay, the ruler is crooked. The pencil's over there, so I'll put the pencil right here. I'm gonna put any, like the big stuff. Let's put another back to school down here. We're gonna put the other one up here. We have the other book. We're gonna put the book right there. So yes, this is our back to school month. And then I'll still be able to decorate it. I put that one over that one. Put that apple over the other apple. We'll probably go school shopping on that weekend because we'll have Riker back. Calculator's over here, so we're going to put a calculator over here. Look at this awesome sauce. Let's just put the pencil there. There is no significance, rhyme, or reason for any of these stickers at this point. It's just getting them off this sheet and onto this planner. All right. And I really don't have anything. Let's see. I did pull some boxes. Let's see. We got back to school. I grab these. I gotta figure out when all that is because I want to start adding that. We have the 4th of July. I don't know when any of these days are, but as soon as I find out, they're going to go on here too. It's supposed to be fun. It's the kids' planner. Alright, and there's sports in here, but we're not going to put that on there. We'll leave that for after the pen kind of thing. So, that's it. I think I'm going to use the same sticker book for week 1. I'm going to pull in the 4th of July for that. And double check because I pulled this too. Where's July? Oh, there's one that says Independence Day. You can get on my vacation right here. And that is going to be it. I thought I had one that said back to school. I don't think I put it in August. Oh, nope, that's where school's at. It's rose gold. I found one that's blue. Alright. Alright. There we go. And that's from one of the school student or something or another. So there's that. I'll fill in all my little blanks, such as the official first week of school, Isaac's vacation, first day of school, and the day we get Riker back. There's a few soccer games in there. There is a football, flag football, sign up registration in there, all that good stuff. So here it is, the first week in July in my kids section, or the month of July in my kids section. So it's all about getting ready for school to start. We used happy memory keeping, dates and holidays, and seasons. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm glad I cut out all that drama that I had. And if you want, come back and see how I set up the rest of the month for getting ready for 9th, 3rd, and pre-K. Oh yeah. And until next time, later.